Finding wholesalers for Amazon FBA involves research and networking to identify reliable suppliers who can provide products at competitive prices. Here's a concise guide. Research online marketplaces. Use platforms like Alibaba, Global Sources, and Thomasnet to find wholesalers. These websites list thousands of suppliers and provide tools to verify their legitimacy. Attend trade shows. Visit trade shows and industry expos relevant to your niche. These events are excellent opportunities to meet wholesalers in person, discuss terms, and inspect products. Join wholesale directories. Subscribe to wholesale directories like Wholesale Central, SaleWho, and Worldwide Brands. These directories vet suppliers, making it easier to find trustworthy wholesalers. Network in online forums. Engage in forums and groups on platforms like Reddit, LinkedIn, and Facebook that focus on Amazon FBA and wholesale sourcing. Networking with other sellers can lead to valuable supplier recommendations. Contact manufacturers directly. Reach out to manufacturers of products you want to sell and ask for a list of their authorized wholesalers. This ensures you're getting products from legitimate sources. Verify supplier legitimacy. Check reviews, ask for references, and verify business credentials to ensure the wholesaler is reputable. Request product samples to assess quality. Negotiate terms. Discuss pricing, minimum order quantities, payment terms, and shipping options. Establish a good relationship with the wholesaler for better deals and reliable supply. Use Amazon's network. Amazon's brand registry and vendor central can sometimes offer opportunities to connect with wholesalers and brands directly.